Jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can cause I'm a Barbie. Neck too cold, bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Ay, jumping in the crowd, Jeff Hardy. I do what I can cause I'm a Barbie. Neck too cold, bitch, I'm frosty. My bricks get sold, yours is off key. Chain Aquafina, bitch, I think I might drown. Red on your nose, got you looking like a clown. My niggas got laser sharp shooters with the razors. Ay, fuck what you say, I ball like 2K, I'm cooking up a souffle. Ay, fuck what you say, I ball like 2K, I'm cooking up a souffle. Ay, jumping in the crowd, Jeff.
To be or not to be. Not. Hold up, bring the beat back. Stop, I ain't ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the big get it again. And I know. Y'all never saw me with straight hair like that, so, and black hair like that. Well, straight black hair, but yeah guys, as you guys can tell by the title, today's gonna be a video about this luscious, okay, Melanin Doll mink straight hair. Okay, yes, another Melanin Doll hair video, but this is my third texture from them, so y'all know I really like the hair and I did pay for this hair. Okay, so before I begin, this video is not sponsored. Yeah, let's get into it. So yes, this is the mink straight hair from Melanin Doll. And I actually got a great deal on it because, you know, when you make a video or whatever on Melanin Doll hair, they give you a discount and stuff like that. So, you know, me being a loyal customer, I had got a discount or whatever. And the hair was about like $295. And I did get a 4-bundle deal, which was 118, 120, and then 222s, I believe. Then I got an 18-inch closure. So this is a closure, and I will get into the closure business later. It probably looks like a front too, but I'm not good at front too, so I probably wouldn't get a front too until maybe a few months from now. But yeah, y'all already know. Listen, I'm gonna rate this hair. It's so low maintenance. Like, if you want some hair where all you gotta do is just pass your, my pretty flat iron is over there, but all you gotta do is just pass your flat iron through it a couple of times and go. And I also use this. It helps as well. This is the Kaleidoscope Diamond Shine. This works wonders on this hair. Okay, so like when your hair looking a little dry or needs a little, like, you can use this as a heat protectant. So I'll just spray it, comb it, and then just, you know, run the flat iron through it on a low temperature. You can do it high too, but I don't really like putting too much heat to the hair. But this is a low maintenance as hairstyle, guys. I have not gotten any tangling yet at all. Like, no tangling, no matting, anything. Basically, I got the hair. It took like a week and some change to get to me. Actually, I had it sent to my homegirl, Kadisha. She's also on YouTube, guys. She made this wig for me. So yes, this is a wig. And she just, you know, gave me little baby hairs, made it look like a frontal, but we know it's not. So guys, excuse me, I can't really see. Okay, I try to be cute for y'all. I cannot see with these fucking contacts. I don't know how people do that shit. Like, if you guys want to see my contact review on this, just click the link in the description box. It should be up before or after this video. But you guys, I love like how she did everything for me, guys. Because this is my birthday hair. Okay, if you guys don't know, my birthday was last week, and January 24th, Aquarius.
Where y'all at? Leave it in the comment section or whatever. You know. But
She made this wig for me on regular dome cap, and she bleached the knots for me and everything, and I just love it, love it, love it. Like, she is gonna be my wig maker from now on, guys. She's affordable as well. You know, she don't charge you $700 to do a fucking wig. Ridiculous out here. Yeah, like, all you gotta do is send her the hair and stuff like that, and she'll do it. New York based, so if you guys are in the New York area or whatever, I'm not sure if she does international, you guys can ask her. I will leave her information, her Instagram and her YouTube in the description box. Just click on that when you're done. But she did make this wig for me. She bleached the knots on the closure and everything, as you guys can see. It's just awesome, you know. And I left just a little, like, I just gel my edges up a little bit, and I think it's bomb as hell, guys. She did an amazing job, and I just love this hair. Like, I become a new person with this hair. Like, I really do. As you guys can see, I'm combing it with this. I never comb my weave with this. So if I comb my weave with this and nothing ever comes out, I don't know, I'm kind of blind right now, but nothing ever comes out. Like, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Like, nothing ever comes out. And y'all know mink is from an animal. So this is, listen, I feel bad for taking the animal hair, but as long as the animal don't get killed. Yes, guys, no fucking hair that came out, okay? That's amazing right there. You know, it has a nice sheen and luster to it. This is 4 bundles, so it's not like extremely thick. If you want thick as, you know, for me, this is good enough, and I love my hair thick. So if this is good enough for me, it should be good enough for you. And I have a big head, and on top of that, I got it sewn onto a wig, and she didn't have any complaints so about it not being enough hair. Especially if you're going past 20 inches, you need to get about 4 bundles for full effect. If you're getting a frontal, maybe you could do it 3, but if you're getting a closure, then you or you have a leave out, definitely get 4 bundles, okay? The mink, yeah, I would say the mink, the 4 bundles plus the closure, I think before my discount code, I think it was like $3.80, and then with my discount code, I think I only paid like $2.95 or whatever, $5 for shipping. I think that's amazing. Okay, guys, so yes, y'all already know customer service is great. For all who don't know, Melanin Doll does take, you know, some time to get there, like maybe like a week and a half to get here. That's expected. I'm used to it right now. And yeah, I really do love the hair. Like I said, no shedding. To me, it was affordable. And because some people might say, oh, I'm gonna just go to AliExpress, but it's like the same price if you add it up, you know. I would say if you want long lasting hair, definitely fuck with Melanin Doll, because their hair is amazing, guys. Like, if I put out all my wigs from Melanin Doll, like, you know what I'm gonna do one day? I'm gonna wait till I get to up to 5 textures from Melanin Doll, and I'm just gonna fucking do a video of me showing you all the hair, okay? So far, I got the tight curly. If you guys want to see a video, that will be in the description box. And I got the Burmese curly. That will be in the description box. And now this is the mink, straight, okay? So this is for my straight girls who love that straight look. I would definitely, unless you got like fine hair like this, definitely, and you're like maybe relaxed or something like that, I would say you could get this. But if you're natural, listen, you need a closure or a frontal. Don't even try it. Like, it's not even gonna look the same. It might look the same, but that's a lot of heat you're putting to your hair. You're just better off just getting it made into a wig. That way it's a perfect style, and it's also a perfect protective style. If you guys are good at frontals, do a frontal, okay? If you guys want something that's popping and on the go like me, like put it on and go, swipe a few times with the flat iron and go. You don't have to worry about laying shit down. Like, this is literally on a wig, guys. She put an elastic band. I didn't have to glue nothing down. All I did was put a little bit of gel on the baby hairs that she that she made for me, and that was it. Like, as you guys can see, like, it's just so bomb. I really love this hair. I play in this hair like it's nothing, okay? Like, all day I'm playing in this hair. Like, I'm like, what? What you said? Like, this is my hair. Like, you know, this hair turned me into, well, I'm already a bird, but this hair turned me into a freaking bird for real. Like an eagle out here. Like, listen, this shit is so nice, guys. Like, I don't know, like, I'm not really a straight hair girl, but this melanin doll shit will definitely turn you into, you know, a straight hair doll. Like, if you are natural like me, I have 4C hair. My hair is like a vampire. My hair does not really like to be out, okay? My hair likes to be treated and covered up, okay? Like, that's how my hair grows and flourishes. I'm definitely gonna do some videos this summer with my natural hair, stuff like that, but this is a perfect, you know, protective styling. It's just bomb, guys. They definitely stepped it up when it comes to their packaging. Like, it came in this box. Before, it used to come in a black box that said Melanin Doll. I think it's smarter that they just put it in a regular pink box, because before it was black and it said Melanin Doll in pink. And I feel like that's a little bit easier for people to steal your shit, because they'll be like, oh, here, I'm gonna get this to my girl, or here, I'm gonna keep this for me. So I think that's a little smarter that they did that. Inside the box, it came with, which is, I'm so happy. Like, I wish it came with the other hair that I got, because I got other hair from them, okay? So Melanin Doll, if y'all watching this, I'm gonna need some lashes and I'm gonna need some more bags, alright? It came with this bag. Okay, this is so freaking amazing, guys. When I'm ready to take this wig off or give this wig a break, or just to put this wig away for a minute, putting it in this, okay, you need to get some of these, guys. These are freaking silk bags, perfect for your weave, okay? You just put it in there, boom, and you're done. Like, this is just so amazing. Like, so it came with this bag for free, guys, but that bag is just freaking amazing, guys. Like, oh my god, like, I just fucking love it. But you guys, Kadisha definitely made my wig. She goes by Katie_creations with a K on Instagram. I'll leave that somewhere here, you know. And I really do like the hair. You know, it's low maintenance. You may want to just don't put too much product in your hair. This is like my 3rd time of me spraying this in my hair since I got it. It's been a week now since I had it. And I didn't wash it yet because Katie already washed it for me when she made the wig for me and everything. So it was no need for me to wash it. I give this hair a good 10. Okay, like, it's just so amazing. Like, and I'm not gonna dye this hair because I'm just not. Like, show you guys how long it is. It's this long. It stops right here. Okay. Likes, you know, every woman who likes to wear wigs, you should definitely invest in some straight hair. And I think the Melanin Doll straight is perfect. You know, if you do want like that, if you don't want the thin look, you kind of want that scissor look, then you could definitely get some kinky straight. I do have some videos of kinky straight coming up. I just received some hair from a lovely company. You guys will hear about them later. And yeah, like, you know, I'm really liking this hair. I can't really express that anymore than I have already. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go over it again. The pricing was good for me. Okay, and I ain't got it like that, but the pricing was pretty good for me. Customer service is always on fleek. The packaging was A1. The hair is A1. That's the most important part. A1. I don't have any shedding or anything. Like, again, guys, check out my tight curly from them. Check out my Burmese curly from them. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try the hair, if you have tried the hair. I don't really see that many people trying the hair, trying to mink straight, or did reviews on it. You know, I see everybody like just straightening it curly, and I think that's so pointless. Like, why would you get straight curly hair to straighten it? Like, I wouldn't do that. The most I'll do is put heat to it, but to straighten curly hair, nah, I'm not doing that. Like, I'm not doing it. Sorry, but yeah, guys, definitely. You know, I like this hair. I will keep you guys updated. Okay, I will give you guys another 6-month review. Yada yada. And yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. GlamNefercent signing out. Don't forget to love yourself first. Keep it glamming. Love you guys.